Scholars. Today I'm going to teach you how to submit a Google Doc assignment. Your assignment is going to look a lot like this. If you see over here on the right hand side, there's a Submit Assignment tab. Click on that. Okay. It's going to pop this window up and you will need to click on Resources. Under Resources, head on down to Apps on the left hand side. It's the bottom tab on the left hand side. We'll click on Apps and it's going to bring up Google Drive app immediately. If it doesn't, you will simply click on Google Drive Resource app for it to bring this up. Okay, in this tab up at the top, I am going to go over to my Texas bio poem. This is my final draft and this is exactly what I want to submit in Schoology. Okay. It is named Texas Bio Poem Example up here. I'm going to highlight it, copy that, and tab over to Schoology. In this section right here, it says Search Google Drive. I'm simply going to paste the name of my document in there, and it brings up 3 different things that it thinks is associated with that. This middle option right here, Texas Bio Poem Example, that's exactly what mine's called. It shows the little blue document right there. I know that that's exactly what it is. I'm going to click on that, make sure the check mark is clicked, and then I'm going to import file. All right. And just to verify, on the right hand side above Submit Assignment, it gives me the option to resubmit it, but it also shows that my assignment was submitted and it shows that there's 1 item in there. All right, that's how you submit a Google Doc inside of Schoology the appropriate way.